Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you are all doing good. Today we will make homemade almond milk powder or badam milk powder. This is a delicious health supplement for kids as well as adults to consume with milk and can easily be stored in any airtight container for 2 or 3 months. Here I am taking 2 cups of almonds. Now add boiling water until the almonds are fully submerged and let this soak for 5 to 10 minutes. Note that I have used boiling water, not hot water. Just squeeze the almonds in between your fingers and the skin will come right off. Now that all the almonds are done, we will spread it evenly on a towel and let it air dry for a couple of hours. Keeping the flame in between low to medium, add the almonds in. Dry roast for 3 to 5 minutes, continuously moving the spatula or until it turns slightly brown in color. Once done, remove it from the pan and keep it aside for a while. Now add 1 cup of makhana or lotus seeds and dry roast for a few minutes or until it turns slight brown in color. We will keep this also aside. Similarly, dry roast half a cup of cashew nuts as well and keep this aside once done. Into the blender, add 1.5 to 2 cups of sugar. Here I have taken 1 3/4 of a cup of sugar, followed by 12 to 15 cardamom pods, about a pinch of saffron, 1/4 of a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Blend this into a fine powder. Now blend half of our dry roasted nuts along with a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Totally I have taken half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Blend this in short pulses so that oil won't come out. Now blend our second and last batch of roasted nuts. Here I have not added turmeric powder. Now keep mixing until all the ingredients gets distributed evenly. For making badam milk, add hot milk to about 2 tablespoons of our homemade badam milk powder. Sugar was enough for us. Adjust according to your preference. Hope you like this video. See you soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.